Today we're cooking coconut forbidden rice pudding. Whether it's for breakfast or dessert or any time of day, it's delicious, it's nutritious, and it's really easy to make with just these 3 ingredients. We've got 200 grams of black rice or forbidden rice. Now be careful not to spill this everywhere because it does look a little bit like mouse poop. 50 grams of palm sugar. If you can't get palm sugar, then you could use coconut sugar, or you could use one of the dark brown sugars, something that's got a nice molassy flavour to it. And our third and final ingredient, we're going to use 2 tins of coconut milk. We're going to add in our rice, and to that we can go in with a tin and a half of our coconut milk. And getting your favourite stirring device, give that just a bit of a stir around. We're going to bring this up to the boil and then turn it down to a simmer and let it simmer for around about 35 or 40 minutes. If you love how purple this is as much as I do, then it'd be fantastic if you could grace this video with a like. And if you want to see more, then hit that subscribe button as well. I'm going to show you how I'm going to plate this up, but first we need to finish it off with our remaining half tin of coconut milk, and we can add our palm sugar as well. And we'll simmer this for another 5 or 6 minutes until it's to the consistency that we want. Now it's finished cooking, we can start to dish it up. So we'll take just a couple of nice big spoonfuls, put it into the centre of our dish. And I've got some fresh mango, which we can just go down on one side here. And then some desiccated coconut as well, just to give it that extra coconut head. And that there is our super delicious coconut forbidden rice pudding. Hold on a second, let me just unclip you. Let me get you down there so you can see it properly. Let's get some focus on that. That is absolutely gorgeous. If you're thinking of eating this straight from the pot, then a real quick PSA, it's like lava, it is so hot, so just watch it.